What up, YouTube? Here with a barber back here finally on HD. Here we are. Shoe collection. Start. Which I know about them. Went to Dallas to the All-Star game to get them. It's the world of LeBrons. Whew. Ice the fuck out. Need some illumination on this shit. It's all the way in HD. Fresh. Here on out, y'all. Straight HD. Tell me what y'all think, man. I've been waiting just as long as y'all been asking. And I finally found a good camera. So, you know, some supplies and shit I use. It's my world of phone posits. Man, this shit's clear as fuck on this camera. These is a restoration I just completed for my man Sonic Thunder Joe. Just wanted to add this in real fast so he can see his shoes. This is finished for you, bro. If y'all go back to my very first video on these, I say these was an honest 4 or 5 out of 10. I'm not gonna say, you know what? Y'all tell me. On a scale of 1 to 10, how clean you think that these are now? So you can know, or let him know, so he can feel comfortable. So y'all know what I do. And that's the creases out of the inner part of the shoe. So that's the right shoe. It's the left shoe. Told you I matched that gray dead on. Got all the fuzz and shit out of here. Clipped all the frayed shit that was excess. So, you know what I mean? I ain't doing no half-ass jobs when I do your shoes. I gave him a fresh new pair of laces. That's just on me. I know they cheap, but you know what I mean? Shit. Not everybody do that. So, cleaned the gray up real good. I mean, that was real dirty, so. But Joe, those are your shoes. I hope you're impressed. Shit, appreciate you letting me shoot them in HD. Let's focus back up. There we go. But you know, some more of my shoe boxes. More of them underneath there. More just basic shoes. Clothes and shit I wear. Good old Ben 23 bag. Now we get to the shoes that I wear. I wore those over 50, 60 times, and hey, some bitches held up. So, some good old Cannons. These are those Aqua 8s from my original video that I wear all the time, but I just wanted y'all to see just how clear and in HD that the cracking is very minimal. After wearing these, y'all know it will keep it real with y'all all the time, so I've worn these at least about another 50, 60 times. Just I wear these, and sorry it didn't focus right there, and these probably more than I wear any other shoe, just because they're kind of my favorites, and shit, I can restore them back kind of fast. I gotta bring these back, but these are some of them Kevin Durant's, the very first ones. You see the logo. A lot of people haven't seen these, or I haven't ever even seen a video on these, man. But you know, these is repping for his high school All-American game, man. You know, signature on the tongue. So I'm actually shocked that I haven't seen these for real. So. Excuse me, I restored these. My dog was fucking with me. Messed them up. But I'll touch them up in a minute. Beat ups. Tims. OGs. Look how well they held up, man. Or holding up. Shoe from 97, man. And that's all the creasing I got. I hope these new ones hold up, because I was not overly impressed. Those are dead stock right there. See some more shoes down there, but let's get back into the collection. Playoff 8s, fresh to death. Look, I'm dropping shit. Aquas, 17s, 23s. Black Stealths, 10s. Yeah, I'm about to see a whole bunch of clear bottom fucking shoes. Yeah, you see that Aqua right there on the right hand side making another guest appearance. Silver anniversaries. Breads. Concords. More jams. Oh, let's see that bunny dress just so you can see how clear that fucking bottom still is. Yeah. I'm retarded. Breads. Keep going. Ray Allen's, baby. That's the print on those, make them just official as fuck to me. Some Quad 54. Raging Bull. Fresh Prince. Y'all see them? Whew. Them grapes are fresh. Good old white Stealths. Ben 23s. Yeah, I saw the bag. Fours. Got those in a size 8. Anybody want them for sale? Give me 2 1/4. Oh, 6s. Nice little setup. Threw her up on my wall, you know what I mean? Rising Suns. Flu games. Some good old 12s. University Blues. I got another pair of these, size 11.5. Anybody looking for, give me $250. As you see, all these are left shoes. No, just over the amount of duplicates. These are all fucking, I got the right shoe for every one of these. I got also a pair of those, size 12. Give me $275. Get them off my hands, y'all, if y'all want them. But then we got, whew. I love this HD camera, y'all. I know just as long as y'all been waiting, the same amount of time I have. But now we here. Now we are here. Yeah. Told you they was making a guest appearance over here. Fresh to death, everything. I don't want to hear shit about my bed. I ain't put the sheets on yet. Fuck it. I had to wash today. And this is the only right shoe you're gonna see in this entire video. And that's only because I didn't have a box still for it, but like as you can see, right shoe. So everything in here. Daughter's shoes when she was hooping. That's fucking Cement 4 black paper. Let's see it. You see him sitting in there. So, as y'all can see, Ill Will's collection, Ill Will's room. Joe, I will be sending your shoes out tomorrow. Polo socks match my polo hat. So, now y'all can see what I'm rocking with in HD. You see I got so much more room and so much, I have much more to go. But finally, my first video in HD, y'all. Tell me what you think. This is the shoe room. Peace.